In December of 2022, stories submitted by people from around the world were loaded onto standard SD cards, then tested at Utah State University. The cards were then installed into the Missy-18 sample carrier at Aegis Aerospace in Houston to be included on board a Northrop Grumman Cygnus rocket for launch. On August 1st, thousands of space enthusiasts, along with the Stories of Space team, gathered to witness the launch of Missy-18 from the NASA Wallops Flight Facility. Three days after this historic launch, your stories arrived at the International Space Station, where they are now attached to the outside of the station, orbiting the Earth once every 90 minutes at 17,500 miles per hour, exposed to the harsh radiation environment of space for the next 6 months. The launch of this first set of stories is just the beginning. The thoughts, ideas, and words you share today will change the way we explore space in the future. One story at a time. Your story.